this is Will Zanders with Regina Life in Baton Rouge. Now, you don't know me yet. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but could I ask you a quick question? It'll take 2 seconds. Thank you, ma'am. When it comes to making extra money, do you keep your options open or are you closed-minded?
Say it again.
When it comes to making extra money, do you keep your options open or are you closed-minded?
Well, I really can't understand your phone breaking up.
Oh, for real? Okay. Do you keep your options open when it comes to making extra money?
Do I keep my options open and making extra money?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Okay. If I sent you a short 2-minute video, would you have a minute to check it out on email or text message about a business in your area? It's just 2 minutes.
Say a video?
Yes, ma'am. A 2-minute video about a business in your area.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. What's better for you, text message or email?
You can do a text message,
985
687
687
4043.
4043. And what's your name one more time?
My name's Amora.
Thank you, Tabor. I'm going to send it to you right now here.
Okay,
Thank you, dog. You too, baby. Bye-bye.
You're welcome.
I don't never want to hear none of y'all say, that's a phone book, man. For real. You can really build a business with a phone book. I don't care if she watched the video or don't join or join. You do that enough, you're going to get what you need. Now I gotta send Tabora a message. I'm gonna send her a 2-minute Regina Life video.
I hope that was the name. I thought she said Cora.
I'm just writing down a number. I'm not even putting a name in.
Right.
All right, so